Hello, I'm John Wright at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at a new Sea Ray 270 SDX outboard. Starting here on the transom, this boat is equipped with the new Mercury 300 V8 in white trim. Very popular option. Another thing that's popular on these boats is the access panel where you can check your oil, you can add oil, you can remove the cowling, all very easily here without removing the cowling itself. On the swim platform, you see we've got SeaDek matting. We've got rear-facing seats that have a ton of storage. This is just one side. Also, the seats pop up to where they support underneath your knee, so it's a more comfortable sitting position. You can have it up like that or flat like this. As we walk through, we have stereo remote on the transom. We have freshwater shower on the transom. You have your ski pole as well. As you move up into the cockpit, great seating, something the 270 is known for. This boat is equipped with the teak table. Really nice look, very functional. Boat also has the white tower with the bim top built in. As we move over to the helm, you see we have Mercury digital throttle, Mercury power steering, Fusion stereo, your Simrad chart plotter, fish finder sonar with all your boat functions built in. Over on the port side, got a nice head compartment with sink. As we move up to the bow, you have a pass-through door for those cooler days when you want to block the air, close the windshield. One thing great about the 270 is the amount of seating. In the bow, you have armrest. You've got your bow table. You also have a freshwater shower all the way forward for your swim ladder. Well, again, my name is John Wright at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. We'd love to show you this boat or any in inventory. Give us a call, 910-256-8100, or check us out on Facebook at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach.